Start the Truth TV, welcome to the show. Big up to all of the fans and big up to everyone. Right now, before when I started like this, I want each and everyone subscribe to us at the Truth TV. You understand? Yeah, do that for me, please and thanks. Big up to all of the fans them right now. People, right now man, just want big up each and every mother out there. You understand? Each and every mother. You understand? Each and every mother to give God thanks. You know, wake up this morning and not feel no pain or not feel nothing. You understand? Give God thanks on our life this morning. Big up to each and every mother out there. Happy Mother's Day to each and every one. You understand? I may say, hey, you have some mother. Have some big data and them worthless. You understand? Worthless. And one time I hear them cook, and when a Mother's Day, worthless data them there. You understand? You have some mother have some big data. And I only time I see them, and one time a year when a Mother's Day, you understand? And one time a year them cook, you understand? And when a Mother's Day, worthless, you understand? Me I tell you say, you have some mother out there about, well, you have about 5-4 pitney, and me I tell you to the woman. One time I hear them tell them thanks. You understand? And when a Mother's Day. You understand? No. Listen. Say if you have a mother, you have to show I love right through the year. Not only one Mother's Day. You understand? You know. You have to treat her like a mother right through the year. It's not only on Mother's Day you have to treat her. You understand? No. Big up to all of the daughter them out there where the mother pass off. You understand? Because you have one heap of big daughter and big man out there, you know. No mother, you know. You understand? Pass off. You understand? Big up to them. You understand? Big up to them. You understand? Yeah. You understand? Because me I tell you this. Father God I keep me and I keep my mother. Me I tell you. You understand? Because this man when me wake up and I see my mother, and I say thank you Father God for me. To live one more year and you spare me and my mother life. You understand? And I'm telling her happy Mother's Day. You understand? But guess what? I only a whole heap of youth out there, and a whole heap of women out there who wake up this morning and do have a mother. We tell them happy Mother's Day. Oh gee, me feel it to my heart, I swear. You understand? And I'm not tell you the truth. A whole heap of woman who wake up right now and big man. And wake up and do have a mother to tell him happy Mother's Day. You understand? We know we who have a mother to tell her happy Mother's Day. Treat her like a mother. You understand? No, treat her like a mother right today. Not because a Mother's Day when I wait to treat the mother. Had Mother's Day. No, it never works. So treat the mother right today. You understand? And so all the mothers them wake up this morning. I ask them to go to church and give God thanks for your day and to give God thanks if He lives the one more year. You understand? And up on the thing. You understand? Because guess what, you know? My mother healthy, you know, and she go to church. You understand? And I first thing she wake up this morning, she say, thank you Father God for see another year. You understand? See another day, see another month. In carry you in guide and protect we. You understand? Me asking each and every one out there. You understand? We just take care of no mother to the fullest, you understand? Cause without no mother only depend earth, you know, you understand? Cause you have some what is father, you know. You understand? As the baby gone, the father gone. You understand? And who did it? And the mother alone have to struggle, raise no send no go to school and all them things there. You understand? Give no mother all the love one can give. You understand? Without no mother only there today there. You understand? Big up to all of the fans them out there, big up to everyone. You understand? And and big up to each and everyone out there. Before I go, me have one more thing to say. You have someone out there who want to make money. I want to make money, whether foreign or whether Jamaica. Both want to make money. And they might use the money for them woman. And then they will buy the woman everything what they want. Because guess what? They can't get look pum pum for the woman. And then can't get them look loving. But when the mother pick up the phone and say, my son can't send $8,000, come give me, mommy, you know, me not have it, my broken away, you know. When you dust, give your woman $8,000, and your mother call herself and send $8,000. You understand? You understand? Listen, only can't put on a woman before no mother, you know. You understand? And I tell you so, only can't make a woman that this up on the mother, you know. And only can't make certain things happen, you know. You understand? Because without your mother, you're who there. You understand? Yeah. Without your mother, you're who there. Me ask you, know, please, take care of your mother. You understand? Please, from your heart here, because I love my own to my soul. You understand? Me ask you to take care of your mother. Mother come first in everything, in every game. You understand? Every game, she come first. Me ask you, please, take care of your mother, because she make you there today there. You understand? Give God thanks and praise when you live a seat today there. You understand? You don't know the thing go. Hustler Talk the Truth TV. Want to subscribe to YouTube page. Hustler Talk the Truth TV. Subscribe to my YouTube page. You don't know the thing go. Big up to all of the real mother them out there. You understand? And me ask you, see all of the mother them out there right now. Me no want to cook no mackerel and rice today. Me no want to cook no sardine and rice. Me no want to cook no body beef. Me no want to cook no butter and rice, no butter and dumpling can't work today. You understand? No chicken back on the rice. You understand? No white rice today. Some rice and peas and cow foot. You understand? You have some pork. You understand? Yeah. I say for no one pork. Curry goat. You understand? All of them things that today. I say for no one curry goat, some steamed fish. Some fried fish steamed down together. You understand? Yes, and I enjoy on the mother day. You understand? Listen me. All I know. All of the son and daughter out there today. You understand? More want to know. Treat your mother good. Right, good. You understand? Yeah. Yes, when you not buy on the mother gloves to go get. When you don't buy no tin mackerel in there, no sardine and nothing. Yeah. So somebody some sliced fish, some steamed fish and so can go get for cook. You don't know the thing go. You understand? Need for cook how is this to the affair there. And who know for cook? Yeah, you don't know the thing go. Hustler Talk the Truth TV. You subscribe to Hustler Talk the Truth TV, YouTube that. Big up to each and every one of your fans. You understand? Happy Mother's Day. Mother, me love you to me heart, yeah. Love you to me heart, yeah. Without you, moon there today, yeah. Me have to give you thanks, yeah. I have to give you thanks, yeah. Me not put it before my woman. No. You come first in my life, yeah. Mother, I love you. Don't know the thing, Hustler Talk the Truth TV, I am out.